Enjet i24-190 Pro, high-speed sublimation printing machine, 24 print height, production capacity, up to 1100 square meters per hour. The machine is equipped with the Epson i24-190 1 to 2 next generation printhead, with the firing frequency increased from 21K to 24,000, resulting in an overall printing speed increase of approximately 20%. The smallest ink droplet size has increased from 3.8 picoliters to 3.2 picoliters. Lighter colors and gradient transitions are now smoother. Larger ink droplets have increased from 9 picoliters to 12 picoliters. Darker colors are deeper and more saturated. The machine's steel beam is equipped with a linear motor, ensuring stable, high-precision printing over extended periods. Negative pressure ink supply results in smoother printing and better cleaning and maintenance. 25-liter high-capacity ink supply system with low ink alarm function supports continuous printing for extended periods. A 10,000-meter servo motor take-up and take-down system saves on paper usage costs, meeting the stable production needs of digital printing super factories. Enjoy printing, enjoy life. Welcome to call for inquiries.